In this question, different polymers are given. We have to identify the names and structures of the monomers of given polymers. The first one is given as Buna S. Buna S is a synthetic rubber composed of styrene and butadiene. It is known for its good balance of flexibility, durability, and water resistance. They are widely used in the manufacture of tires, footwear, and various industrial products due to its resilience and processing ease. And the structures of these monomers are given here. The second one is 9166. This is a type of polyamide made from the condensation polymerization of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. And the structures of these monomers are also given here. This is commonly used in textiles, engineering, plastics, and automotive parts due to its durability, strength, and resistance to abrasion. Third one is bakelite. This is another type of synthetic plastic made from phenol and formaldehyde by a process known as polymerization. It is known for its hardness and heat resistance, and it is used in electrical insulators, kitchenware, and various industrial products. It was one of the first plastics made from synthetic materials and revolutionized material science. Its excellent heat resistance and electrical insulating properties combined with the durability made it a crucial material in the early development of plastic industry. And for each polymer, for writing structure and the names of the monomer, you will get 1 mark. So the total marks will be 3.